Hello everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. I am back in the she shop. I'm going to do a project today. So our friend Janet gave us that haul, that wonderful haul, and in it was this mirror. I'm going to paint the mirror. I have already taped it off and sanded it. That's how committed to painting this mirror I am. And I even know what color I want to paint it. like I was like, I know what I'm doing. Martha Stewart's paint that I picked up for 50 cents at a garage sale. It's in eucalyptus. I painted this on that footstool that we did. And I just went, I forgot how pretty this is. So I think it'll be great on the mirror. I think it'll be a good color. I'm going to put it, I don't think I'm going to do much more to it than just the green. I say that and then I'm like, oh, you know what I need? You know what I should do? So I guess it'll be a game time decision. But as of right now, we're painting it. We're painting it this green. I've even already mixed up the paint. Like, I'm ready for you guys. Like, I'm ready. I am so ready to do this. I am so looking forward to it. I'm excited to do it. I have no problem selling mirrors. So it's just rolled off into my hand. Like, let's get going. So I'm glad to have another mirror for inventory because like money in my pocket. Let's get you guys switched around. I'm going to move around here. Gotta get something under my wheel. Get closer and let's get to painting. Okay, I'm on a weekend with no kid and no husband, and I'm getting like a ton of projects done. Look how pretty that green is. Like, I forgot how pretty it was, and then I painted on that stool, and I went, oh, I have to paint something that green. I have to paint something just by itself green. This is going to be a 2-coater, I think. Cover that. It's getting streaky. My brush was wet. And all the edges. Oh, love it. I love the green. I left the door open so Miss Margot could see me painting. She doesn't normally get to do that. There's usually too much going on out there. I can't leave the door open. So you may hear her clicking around out there. Oops. Almost dipped my brush in the paint cap. I'm so ready to just get a ton of projects done. It's hard during the school year when Victoria's running here, there, and everywhere. And now this year, she hasn't gone up to the lake as often as she has in the past. So I haven't had weekends where I could just go ham and get stuff done. And then I took a couple weeks off. I took a couple weekends to myself with 4th of July and everything, and never get anything done when you do that. But I hate the 80s paint, the faux wormwood, so this definitely had to get updated. And I think this would be a cute mirror for an entryway or like a powder room. Just kind of, it's a narrow piece that would be cute in a little nook area. So many times I paint pieces and I'm like, okay, what embellishments can we add to it? Make it fancy. And sometimes it doesn't need to be fancy. It just needs to be pretty. I think this green is pretty. But it will definitely take a couple coats. All right, I'm gonna keep painting and then I'll show you everything when the first coat's done here. All right, the first coat is done. I'm gonna go rinse my brush. The more I pull it, the more it's pulling off. So I just gotta take a second, let it be. And then I will come back and do the second coat, but it's so pretty. I love this green. I'm not keeping it, but it's so pretty. So this is gonna be great. I don't think I'll do anything else to it but paint it. Just another project that will not end up on the doom pile. But let's go clean our brushes so that this doesn't all harden up on us. Ready for coat 2. Oh, it's so pretty. It's just pretty. So pretty. I mean, Martha's got it going on with her color palettes. She knows. Can't believe I bought this for 50 cents at a garage sale. And if I remember correctly, it wasn't even open. And I paint at garage sales all the time. People try something, they don't like it, or they didn't understand how to use it correctly, and they get rid of it. And I reap the benefit of them trying and not liking it. Okay, why is that being funny? Ugh. Yeah, I think even with just the second coat, it's so much prettier. It's even prettier with the second coat. Why is this being like weird though? There must have been a grease or something here. Oh. Like one little spot of grease or something. I don't know. I'm going to figure it out. It'll get covered. All right. Okay, it's done. You want to see it? That's it's done. Margot. No, you can't come in. Back up. Margot sighting. Get back up. Hey, sharps, go. Back. Get back there. Go. Go on. Get up. Sit. You protect me right there. Okay? I don't know what she's doing. We gotta finish this. They're waiting on you. Okay. Here it is. It's done. I have to clean up some places where it did bleed under the tape. And I did touch up some stuff where the tape pulled off. But other than that, I think it's perfect. I don't think it needs anything. I was going to tease you and go, you know what I think it needs? But it doesn't need anything. I don't think it needs anything except a better reflection. Right? I can see you. Yeah. Other than the reflection, it's great. I gotta put makeup on for these things. Right? I mean, seriously. But I love it. I think that's good. We're going to get a price tag on it, and it's another one out the door. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.